Hello, my name is Ben and I've been a professional landscaper for over 10 years. Today I want to talk to you about installing landscape fabric for those special landscaping projects like flower beds and hardscape pathways that require extra weed control. There is a new innovative Vigoro matrix grid landscape fabric exclusively at the Home Depot that makes these projects much easier to install while supporting healthy plants and soil, all without sacrificing weed control. When making a decision on landscape fabric, consider these features. The fabric should be easy to cut and install while allowing for water, air, and nutrients to reach the plant roots and soil. And because your time is valuable, it should be low maintenance and durable enough to withstand the elements. The most important feature, in my opinion, is weed control. Looking closely, you can see the Vigoro matrix grid landscape fabric construction with its patented 3-layer design and matrix grid core. The technology allows you to have a product 2 times stronger than other fabrics on the market. The top and bottom layer allow for optimal water and airflow, while the center grid layer blocks any weeds from growing through the material, while preventing surface pooling and flooding. This robust material will work on any type of hardscape or landscape project. The Vigoro matrix grid product exclusively at the Home Depot is available in 4x50 foot rolls, 4x100, as well as 4x200. It's also available in both gray and brown. Now let's get to the how to install Vigoro matrix grid landscape fabric exclusively from the Home Depot, from do-it-yourself to professional. When installing the Vigoro matrix grid landscape fabric as a DIY project, your first step will be to measure the area. Knowing the length and width will help you determine the size of roll and/or how many rolls of fabric you will need. Prep the area by raking and hand grading. Lay out the landscape fabric and make any necessary cuts. Use landscape staples to secure the fabric to the ground. So now's the perfect time to show you how easy it is to install plant material in the fabric. As you can see, they already have the plants laid out where they want them. So the next step is going to be to cut the fabric in an X to make for easy plant installation. Big enough to allow us to dig a hole to install this plant. Then you peel the fabric back on all 4 sides and dig your hole. Nice job, guys. So once the plant is properly planted, then you can take the flaps of the landscape fabric and fold them back in. Using your landscape staples to secure the fabric back down. Add ground cover to the area, such as mulch, pine straw, rocks, etc. So next, let's go look at how a professional landscape company would use this product. So they've already got it measured out, so the next step is going to be to roll it out and then make the intricate cuts along the edges. So once they've got it cut, then we're going to go ahead and staple this side so it's secure so that we can pull it tight to make a precise cut on the other side. All right, so in an area where we've had to cut it, and you can see there's a turn here, you may have to use a couple different pieces of fabric to cover the whole area. What you want to make sure of is in a downhill grade like this, that the overlapping piece comes over the top where the water will flow consistently. And just make sure to use plenty of staples in this application. So once the fabric is secure, the next step will be to place the stepping stones. And because the Vigoro matrix grid landscape fabric is 2 times stronger than leading brands, you never have to worry about durability or it withstanding the elements, even these heavy stepping stones. You can use sand or other aggregate to stabilize. So once we finish filling in with gravel, the project will be complete and will remain low maintenance due to the superior weed control of the Vigoro matrix grid landscape fabric, sold exclusively at the Home Depot.